think the biggest concern or requirement for us was to find a kitchen builder who we can work with, who can take our vision and put it into work. And since this is our forever home, give us the quality for the price that we're looking for. So having gone through HomeStars, Google's, we ultimately met with a couple of designers. And when we went to the Senso showroom and met with Gregory and Nastya, I think something just clicked, and how collaborative they were willing to be, some of the portfolio that they had worked in the past. I think something just clicked with them, and ultimately we decided to go with Senso Design. Working with Senso, I think it was this extremely pleasant experience from the beginning. It started with Gregory providing us a really reasonable estimate, and then we spent a few weeks working with Nastya, and she worked very closely with myself and my wife. Everything that we had kind of in our head, she was able to put it on paper, and she made the whole experience very painless. She was very patient, going back and forth. And then ultimately, Gregory took over from a build perspective. He worked with the builders and the actual product. Every concern we had, even if it was something very small, Gregory told us never to worry, he'll take care of everything. And however small it was. So this just made it very seamless and very painless from the design to the actual build, and we're extremely happy with the results. I mean, if you're thinking about Senso Design, I would say, you can go ahead with the project with a lot of peace of mind. Gregory, like I mentioned, was extremely pleasant to work with. We had minor concerns about things, and we're like, oh, it's not a big deal. And he would always push back and say, no, if you're not 100% happy, we're gonna take care of it. So there were many times they would come back and take care of the smallest detail, just because he thought, he wanted to make sure that we were 100% happy with the final product. So yeah, definitely no regrets. We've done multiple projects with Senso Design, and we'll definitely continue to do additional projects in the very near future.